Upgrading your car headlights can dramatically improve visibility, safety, and overall style, but choosing the right one isn't always easy. Poor brightness, weak beam focus, and low-quality materials can affect your driving experience. The best headlights should offer powerful illumination, durable build quality, and modern features like DRL and projector lenses. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best car headlights you can buy right now, perfect for better night driving and a stylish upgrade. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. Chelanghu LED Headlight for Seat Leon. The Chelanghu LED Headlight is a great upgrade for Seat Leon models from 2013 to 2016. It features bright LED illumination with integrated daytime running lights in turn signal functionality. Designed as a direct replacement, it fits perfectly without major modifications. The beam pattern is clear and focused, improving night visibility and driving safety. Built with durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for drivers who want both improved lighting and a modern, stylish look for their vehicle. Number 4. CG AKD LED Headlights for Golf 7. The CG AKD LED headlights are designed for Volkswagen Golf 7 models, offering a modern MK 7.5 upgrade look. These headlights feature bright LED lighting with DRL and bifocal projector lenses for improved beam focus and clarity. The assembly enhances both performance and aesthetics, giving your car a premium appearance. Installation is straightforward with a direct fit design. Perfect for drivers who want better night visibility, along with a sleek and updated front-end style. Number 3. TYPY LED Headlight for BMW 5 Series. The TYPY LED headlight is built specifically for BMW 5 Series G30 and G38 models from 2017 to 2020. It features a powerful LED projector system that delivers bright, focused light for safer night driving. The integrated daytime running lights add a modern and premium touch to the vehicle's design. Engineered for compatibility and durability, it ensures reliable performance over time. A great choice for BMW owners looking to upgrade both functionality and visual appeal. Number 2. AOKEDING LED Headlight for VW Golf 6. The AOKEDING headlight is a high-performance upgrade for Volkswagen Golf 6 models from 2009 to 2013. It combines LED DRL with a xenon lens system for strong brightness and improved beam projection. The H7 compatibility ensures easy integration with existing setups. Designed for durability and consistent performance, it enhances both safety and appearance. Perfect for drivers who want better illumination and a more modern look for their Golf MK6. Number 1. BITCUK 7-inch Round LED Headlight. The BITCUK 7-inch Round LED Headlight takes the top spot with its versatility and powerful performance. Compatible with vehicles like Land Rover Defender, Jeep, and Lada Niva, it offers bright LED output with DRL and yellow signal lights. The round design gives a classic yet modern look, while the strong beam improves visibility in all conditions. Built for durability and easy installation, it's perfect for off-road enthusiasts and drivers looking for a reliable lighting upgrade. Upgrading your headlights improves both safety and style on the road. These top picks offer bright illumination, durable design, and modern features for different car models. Whether you want better night visibility or a stylish upgrade, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.